Good morning, students. Students, in chapter 8, we studied about the structure and functions of flowering plants. In this chapter, we will discuss in detail the structural and functional aspects of the animal body with special reference to the human body. That means in this chapter we will discuss about the different system, their structure and functions which are present in human body. Now let us quickly recapitulate the levels of an organism. As you know, all the organisms are made up of cells. The cell is the smallest unit of a living organism. It has a structure of its own and performs many functions. Group of cells make a tissue. Tissues collectively form organs. The different organs in turn working together for a certain major activity form an organ system. Human and animal bodies are made up of many such organ systems which carry out different functions. For performing different functions, we have different organ systems like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, excretory system, skeletal system and reproductive systems. These are the systems present in our body, that means in a human body. Now we will discuss about all these systems one by one. The first one is the digestive system. Now we will discuss about the digestive system. Food contains different kinds of substances. These substances are not in the same form as needed by our body. They need to be converted into soluble particles. The process of breaking down or conversion of food into very fine and soluble particle is called digestion. That means the process by which the food get broken down into very fine and soluble particle is known as digestion. The human digestive system consists of the different organs. They are, the first one is the mouth. The mouth is also known as the oral cavity. It contains teeth, tongue and salivary glands. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. The organ which is present in our mouth, first one is the teeth. Teeth start growing before we are born, but they begin to appear from the gums at about 6 months of age. All of us have 2 sets of teeth in our lifetime. The first set of teeth consists of 20 teeth, 10 in each of the upper and lower jaws. These appear when a child is in the age group of 1 to 2 years. These teeth are called milk teeth. These are temporary teeth. These teeth are replaced by another set of teeth which are 32 in number. They are permanent teeth and remain with us till old age. Teeth are hard structures that have 2 parts, the crown and the root. The crown is the visible part of the tooth. The root is inside the gums and is attached to a socket in the jawbone. The outer white part of tooth is made up of enamel, which is the hardest substance in the body. Teeth are used to bite off large pieces of food. They then crush and grind the food into smaller pieces. There are 4 types of teeth in our mouth. These are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. These different teeth have different functions, like incisors are to bite the food, canines to tear the food, premolars and molars to chew and grind the food. These are the different functions of different types of teeth. The last pair of molar teeth is called wisdom teeth. These grow when a person is nearly 20 years old. The next organ which is present in our mouth is tongue. It is a muscular organ present inside the mouth. The tongue helps us to know the taste of food, that is, the food either salty, bitter, sour, or sweet. In swallowing the food, it helps in swallowing the food. In mixing the food with the saliva produced by salivary glands. In our speech, the tongue does help us not only in tasting things but also in speaking and singing. Tiny bumps called taste buds send messages to brain which in turn tell us the taste of the food. Now the next is salivary glands. These are three pairs of salivary glands in our mouth. They produce a watery fluid called the saliva. It helps to moisten and soften the food so that it can be easily swallowed. An adult secretes about 1 liter of saliva a day. The salivary glands may sometimes get stimulated simply by the sight or smell of food. Remember, when you see some delicious food, the wetness in your mouth is due to the saliva secreted out by the salivary glands. These are the organs, that is teeth, tongue and salivary glands present in our mouth or oral cavity. Now we will discuss about different parts of digestive system in next class. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.